Good afternoon, Tuesday, October 17th, 1:20 p.m. Gold is getting hit hard again today. Last time I looked, it was down $10, trading at 1284. After it breached 1300, went up to about 1305, has come down since then. I said this dog won't hunt. I said we've seen this dance before. A lot of people are out there ready to wave pop the champagne cork. Oh, we got a golden cross. We got this. Woo. No, this dog won't hunt. Okay? Now they got to come out with reasons why. So the price moves. Now they got to come out with reasons. Okay? And some of them are just, they're just so funny, some of these reasons. Yahoo Finance. Gold falls on hawkish views about possible next Fed chair. Gold prices fell to a one-week low on Tuesday on speculation that the eventual successor to U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen will favor higher interest rates. Favor higher interest rates. Favor as if there's a choice, Well, I favor chocolate over vanilla. So I guess Yellen favors lower interest rates and her successor favors higher interest rates, as if they have any control. Spot gold was down 0.7% to $12.85 an ounce as of 14:17 GMT, while U.S. gold futures for December delivery slipped 1.2% to $12.86 per ounce. It's partly the possibility of a hawkish Fed chair. Let's get something straight. There are no more hawks at the Fed. There's doves and there's uber doves. There's no hawks, okay? There's no Paul Volckers, okay, who are going to raise interest rates 15, 16, 17, 18%, okay? So what are they talking about, hawks? There's no hawk. The hawks are dead, okay? They've been declawed. It's partly the possibility of a hawkish Fed chair and that the Fed is going to an end needs to hike rates this year that is contributing to a bullish dollar environment. Martin Arnold, commodities analyst at ETF. Martin Arnold. U.S. President Donald Trump was favoring policy hawk John Taylor. He's a hawk, John Taylor. This is the guy who wrote the Taylor Rule, right? Right? The Taylor Rule. I equals whatever is a principal and interest rate and all that. It's just a formula. It's the same old, just a formula, and these guys think that they can calibrate everything. Okay, it's no different here. It's no different. Okay, lower interest rates when GDP is above a certain threshold, right? Raise interest rates when GDP or vice versa. It's all just the same nonsense. It's all some academic egghead who thinks he's smarter than the free market, right? Oh, if GDP is greater than 3%, you can lower the interest rate. If it's less than 3%, you could lower the interest rate. If it's greater, you could lower it. So this is nonsense. If unemployment is running at full capacity, okay, we could raise the interest rate. If unemployment isn't running at full capacity, we could lower. This is like what I said before. Some people play checkers, some people play chess. This is checkers, okay? This is worse than checkers. This is like jacks, okay? Unbelievable. And this person is writing about this dribble. Taylor, a Stanford economist, is seen as more likely to raise rates than Yellen, which would boost the dollar and dent gold. Meanwhile, the U.S. Labor Department said on Thursday import prices jumped 0.7% last month, the biggest gain since June 2016, pushing inflation expectations higher and increasing the likelihood of monetary policy tightening. This is such nonsense, okay? Not even going to bother. Okay, so that's the excuse why gold is going down, because possibly John Taylor might be President Trump's successor to Janet Yellen. First of all, okay, he hasn't even picked anybody yet. Second of all, he has other candidates to interview, including Yellen. And third of all, it doesn't matter who he picks. He's going to do what he wants to do. I mean, well, what do you think? He looks at the stock market. The stock market is going up. That's all he wants to see. So if you need lower interest rates to keep that shell game going, that's what they're going to do. Well, somebody thinks this guy's going to come in and start raising rates 5, 6, 7 times a year. For what? What, are you kidding me? So this is other nonsense. This is what passes for news. Okay? That's number one. More fake news. Number two, fake news. And some of you aren't going to want to hear this either. Gold is insurance. That's a lot of nonsense. Gold is insurance. Okay? If anything these last 6 years should have taught you, gold is not insurance. Okay? So all these people that want to propagate this myth, oh, gold's insurance. It's insurance against what, may I ask? Insurance against what? A dollar collapse? A stock market collapse? There's no proof that's going to happen. Okay? So all these people that want to keep pushing this myth that gold is insurance, it's a lot of nonsense. It's more fake news. Okay? If gold was insurance, these last 6 years, gold would have been acting like that and going up, okay, as a hedge against everything that's going on. Increasing debt, increasing geopolitical risks, okay, increasing currency debasement, okay, increasing loss of confidence in fiat. If gold was acting the way they keep telling you it should act, then gold would have been going up if it's insurance. It's not insurance. Stop it. If you want to make a play on it appreciating, make a play on it appreciating. If you want to take the other side of the trade and make a play that it's going to depreciate, take that. But don't get deluded with all these pumpers and carnival barkers who keep telling you gold is insurance. Anything could be insurance, okay? I read a story a few months ago. Guy lost his home out in Jersey due to Sandy a few years ago, right? He had this comic book collection, all right, worth about, I don't know, $750,000. He tapped into his comic book collection, right, to fix up his house or whatever. It was insurance. It acted as insurance. When he needed it, it was there, okay? So don't tell me when you need it, gold's going to be there. It might not be the price you expect it to be. If you bought gold at 17, 18, 1900, and now it's 1250, 1300, and you got to sell it today for whatever reason, well, are you going to be happy with that? Well, it was insurance. You took a loss. You took a huge haircut. So stop with this. I'm getting so fed up with these carnival barkers. Okay? I never bought gold. I never bought 1 ounce of gold for insurance. Okay? Stocks could be insurance. As a matter of fact, stocks are behaving right now tremendously well as insurance. Okay? They're insurance against what's happening here with the dollar. Okay? With the interest rates, with the debt. All right? Bitcoin could be insurance, right? So let's put that to bed once and for all. Gold is insurance. It's nonsense. Okay? That's number 2, fake news. Number 3, we keep hearing gold is on sale again today. What did I tell you just the other day? Gold's on sale every day. It's on sale every day. Okay? Come back tomorrow. It'll be on sale again. Okay? This dog won't hunt. Isn't that what I've been saying? Oh, it's on sale again today. You should be smiling. You know what? Anybody who says you should be smiling, they either A, they don't have any skin in the game, or they got very, very, very little skin in this game. All right? If they're telling you you should be smiling because gold's on sale again today, they got no skin in this game. Okay? Because after 6 years and the opportunity cost, okay, gold has crushed people. You're big losers. And when I say you're, I don't mean the people that I'm speaking to now. Okay, I'm saying me, whoever else, we're out there. Okay, we lost big time on gold. Nobody's smiling. Okay, after 6 years of watching everything else go through the roof. There's not many smiles out there. So this is nonsense. If somebody's going to tell you you should be smiling today, stack more, stack more. You should have already been fully stacked years ago. Okay? These same guys keep stacking, back up the truck. They got no skin in this game. Okay? Complete nonsense. More fake news. All right? Anyway, with that said, let's see what happens now. How low can go low? I don't know. It might have to go back down to that lower part of the channel. What are we looking at? 1260 again, 1270, 1215. Anything's possible. 1200. Anyway, beautiful day out there. This is just same old, same old. Okay? Nothing new. One other thing I'll mention. Somebody commented he liked my style, my insight, whatever, blah, blah, blah. He says, but I do think gold is suppressed. I never said it wasn't. I agree 100%. I've said that. So I agree with him completely. Of course it's suppressed. How could it not be suppressed? When everything else is going through the roof, how could this not be suppressed? It just is. Okay? I'm 100% in agreement. Okay? So what do you do? What do you do? Anyway, it's a beautiful day. You should take a walk. That's what you should do. And we'll see what happens. Stay nimble. Ciao.